Ever wondered how you can attract the majestic monarch butterflies to your garden? These winged wonders are not just beautiful to behold, but they play a crucial role in pollination, helping our gardens thrive. But their journey is not an easy one, and that's where the concept of a butterfly waystation comes into play. A haven, a pit stop, a sanctuary, if you will, for these delicate travelers. Creating a monarch butterfly waystation in your garden can be a rewarding experience. Why, you might ask, should you consider building a waystation for these winged wonders? Well, the answer lies in the monarch butterfly's extraordinary life cycle and migration. Waystations serve as essential rest stops, providing nourishment and shelter on their long journey. But there's more. These waystations also contribute to our environment by encouraging biodiversity and pollination. So not only do you get to enjoy the beauty of these fluttering guests, but you're also playing an active role in sustaining our ecosystem. Your garden can become a vital pit stop in the incredible journey of these butterflies. So how can you transform your garden into a haven for monarch butterflies? Well, the first step is to plant specific flora, like milkweed, which caterpillars feast on, and nectar plants for adult butterflies. Next, ensure your garden gets plenty of sun exposure but also has sheltered areas for butterflies to rest. Lastly, it's crucial to maintain a pesticide-free garden. Pesticides can harm these delicate creatures. With the right elements, your garden can become a monarch butterfly paradise. Creating a monarch butterfly waystation is not just beneficial for the butterflies, but also for you. It's a rewarding experience that allows you to observe the monarch life cycle up close, contribute to their conservation, and add a touch of natural beauty to your garden. Plus, who wouldn't want a front row seat to one of nature's most fascinating spectacles? If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us continue to share more gardening tips and tricks.